If you're anything like me, as you're designing something and you're wanting to decide colors, you're just going to choose basically whatever you feel like in the moment, colors that kind of look good together, and it's going to be pretty random if you design anything like me. But I'm going to show you today some good color pairing techniques that will help you better decide colors to use for your designs. Right now, I have a blank recipe card. So I'm designing a recipe card on Canva for an imaginary recipe, something where you have 3 different steps, and these 3 boxes are just going to be pictures of those steps, and then each one of these is just a description for that step. So this is my recipe card for a theoretical recipe, and it's all light gray right now, and we're going to choose some good colors for that. So to decide which colors to choose, I have the color wheel here, and we're going to talk about different color pairings. There are 4 different color pairings that we can use, and the first one you've probably already used before, complementary. This is just opposite colors, green and red, orange and blue, purple and yellow. And so as you go back to your recipe card, you can choose maybe some opposite colors for these here. And by the way, an opposite color, if you don't really know what the opposite is, like if I was given this light green, I wouldn't know what the opposite of light green is. Just look directly across from it on the color wheel and you'll see the opposite. So that's one color pairing technique. The next one is monochromatic. And this is where you just take one color and you just change the tones and hues for it. So it's really just the same color, changing the shades. And we're actually going to demonstrate this later. This next color pairing technique is analogous. This is where you take 3 to 6 different colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, and those you're going to pair together. So for example, this green, this light green, and this yellow, that's an analogous color pairing. They are all next to each other on the color wheel. They're all somewhat similar to each other. Or a really good one would be this blue, this darker blue, this and this color. That would be another example of analogous. They're all right next to each other on the color wheel. You could do this color, this color, this color, this color, and this color. They're all right next to each other, and that's analogous. But remember, it's 3 to 6, so you can't choose the entire wheel. Finally, we have the triad color pairing technique, and this is where you take 3 colors that are equally spaced on the color wheel. So let me give you an example of that, since you might not have heard of that before. Take this orange color. This is going to be my first color. I'm going to go skip the next 3 colors. Now I'm going to choose this green color. Now I'm going to skip the next 3 colors, and I get this purple color. Now, if you notice, all 3 of these colors are perfectly spaced apart on the color wheel. That is a triad color pairing, and it's exactly this color pairing here. Or I can do this color pairing. I can choose red. I'm going to skip 3, choose this blue, skip 3, and choose this yellow. And that is, once again, 3 different colors that are equally spaced on the color wheel, and that is this color pairing right here. So now let's apply that to our recipe card. I'm going to show you monochromatic. And I'm going to do that with blue since I like blue. So I'm going to make this top title bar here. I'm going to choose this shade of blue right here. And I'm going to keep that the same for the top. But for these right here, the backgrounds for the step labels, I'm going to select blue, but then I'm going to go to the custom color option, and I'm going to drag that over to the left. And just enough to where I can see a difference, and right there, I can see a difference between these 2 colors. I like that color. I'm going to copy its code and paste that code for the next 2 labels. Like that. So we're still largely working from blue, but we're getting different tones from that. Now, I'm not really going to color these boxes because these are just where the pictures would go, but I'm going to color this bottom label here. So I'm going to paste the same code, but this time I'm going to drag it even more to get an even different color. And I'm satisfied with this color right here. So that's an example, an imperfect example, but still an example of the monochromatic color pairing. So here's what you can do. Design your recipe card right here and choose from any one of these color pairing techniques to make your recipe card exactly the way you want it. Thank you for watching.